Welcome to Dasuhanglish. Let's learn English together. Let's get started. Get up to something. It means to do something. As an example like this, what did you get up to at the weekend? Next. A cold day in July. It means something that will never happen. For example, it'll be a cold day in July before I buy you a new car. Ahead of time. Ahead of time means earlier than was expected or in advance. Example, the plan landed half an hour ahead of time. To run into. To run into, which means to meet someone unexpectedly. An example, I ran into my neighbor at the supermarket yesterday. Next. Laze around. Laze around means relax and enjoy yourself, doing no work. An example, I'm just planning to laze around this weekend. Count to 10. Count to 10, which means calm down. And as an example you can see, count to 10 and everything's going to be great. Next vocabulary is to butt in. To butt in, which means to interrupt. As an example, do you mind if I butt in here? To have someone over. To have someone over, which means to invite somebody to come to your home. Example, kids always like to have someone over. To go round. To go round means to spread from person to person. And for example, there's no evidence that this virus will go round. It's foolproof. It's foolproof, it means so easy, even a fool can do it. Example, these instructions are foolproof and clear. As sound as a bell. As sound as a bell, which means healthy. And for example, after a restful night's sleep, I feel refreshed and energetic this morning. My body is as sound as a bell. Let's continue again. Head and shoulders above. Head and shoulders above means much better than. And for example, my new car is head and shoulders above anything I've driven before. It's by far the best. To put down. To put down means to write or record something. As an example of a sentence exercise like this, don't forget to put down your ideas and thoughts in your notebook for future reference. Catch on. Catch on means to understand or grasp a concept or idea. Example, it took some time for the new technology to catch on, but now it's become very popular. To fade away. To fade away. It means to become weaker. Example, as Sophia grew older, her memories of the accident faded away. From rags to riches. From rags to riches, it means from poverty to wealth. An example, Lenny was homeless, but now she's a millionaire. She went from rags to riches. To stop on. To stop on means to stay behind. And for example, I'll stop on and give you a hand. I have nothing else to do this evening. Neck and neck. Neck and neck means very close to each other. And for example, during the final lap of the race, the two leading runners were neck and neck. To talk through. To talk through means to explain something to someone in detail. And for example, the teacher talked us through the steps of the experiment. To kill over. To kill over means to fall over, especially when you feel unwell. For example, one day her husband just keeled over with a heart attack. Egg someone on. Egg someone on, which means to encourage someone to do something. And as an example, he was reluctant to take part in the race. We had to egg him on to do this. Next. Take it as given. It means accept that something is true and real. Example, just take it as given. Give me a nod of your head, and I'll come in and support you. Next vocabulary. Side-splitting. It means really funny. You really can't stop laughing. And for example, the movie was side-splitting, and we were still laughing when the final credits rolled. Next. To run up. It means to accumulate or increase a debt or bill. And for example, he ran up a large phone bill by making international calls. Have legs. Have legs means have potential to succeed. Example, the bike sale idea has legs. It's going to attract new customers. Stark reality. Stark reality means clear facts, often unpleasant. And for example, the stark reality is that we are entering into a phase of rising inflation. And the last one. Kith and kin. Kith dan kin. This has the meaning, friends and relatives. As an example, about 150 people turned up for their wedding along with their kith and kin. You can create your own example sentences. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you love this video. See you in the next video.